Hello TankScan fans. In today's video we will be showing you how to install and set up a dial gauge reader often used to measure levels in a propane tank. The monitor comes with a dial gauge, the cable, battery powered, and a cellular connection. In today's video we will show you how to wake up the monitor to take a measurement and make that cellular connection, as well as how to change out that existing dial gauge to this remote ready dial gauge. So for starters, you can take this magnetic bar that comes with the monitor and you can hold it onto the yellow dot or hotspot on the side of the monitor. Hold it for about 5 seconds until you hear the repeating beeps. This is waking up the monitor and it will take a measurement and make a cellular connection. If you get 3 double beeps at the end, that's indication of a good cellular connection and you can proceed with installing the dial gauge. If you do not hear the 3 double beeps, you should call the TankScan technical support line and they can work through with you your options on making a cellular connection work at your location. Provided you've got a good cellular connection, then go ahead and secure your monitor to the tank. It's provided with wire ties. There's also adhesive pads, or you can use mounting screws and use these screw mounts to mount this maybe on an adjacent wall. Next is to go ahead and replace that existing dial gauge with the new remote ready dial gauge. You do that using these 2 smaller screws. This in no way impedes the containment of the propane in the tank. The actual level measurement is sealed below this and it's making a magnetic connection to this dial gauge. There's a couple types of connections to the propane tank. Here is a large hex and here is one with 4 large screws. Don't touch either of those 4 large screws, just these small screws that are holding on the plastic dial gauge. Once you've connected that dial gauge in there, you can use the magnet, hold it along that yellow hotspot again to get a fresh reading, and then log into your TankScan portal using your username and password, either on a laptop or your mobile phone, and confirm that you're seeing the most current report, and then confirm that you're seeing a percent full that is reflective of what you're seeing on the front of that dial. And with that, you have successfully installed a TankScan dial gauge reader. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to call our technical support line. And thanks as always for joining us.